Hi everyone, how do you feel the weather today? Okay, the weather today very nice. So today I will tell you the race story. Very funny. It's 5 o'clock and Dennis riding his motorcycle in San Francisco. He's riding down Van Ness Street and comes to a stop line. A red Ferrari pulls up next to him. The driver's wearing dark sunglasses. He looks over at Alan. Alan looks at him and realizes that the driver is Tom Cruise. Tom sneers at Alan. He says, "When the light turns green, let's race." Alan says, "All right, you're on." Tom says, "I'm gonna smoke you sugar." Alan says, "You wish. I'm gonna beat you in your sorry-ass car." Alan and Tom wait at the light. They rest their engines. Suddenly, the light turns green. Alan and Tom take off. They zoom down Van Ness at top speed. Tom is grinning. But suddenly, blue and red lights appear behind Tom. It's the ponies. They pull Tom over. Alan zooms past Tom. Alan zoomed past Tom, laughing. He yelled, "Better luck next time! Better luck next time!" Alan is greener. Okay, the race at the end. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.